Hey, hi Faizan, welcome to live stream. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, it's good right now. Hi Faizan, welcome to live stream. Hi Faizan, welcome to live stream. Hey, hi Divyam, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream, Divyam. How are you? Scene control stats chat. So we have one query from Divyam. Needed a help. Yeah, भाई please पूछो क्या आपको help चाहिए. बिल्कुल पूछो. I can help you out. So we have one query like today had an interview. They asked a question. Okay, yeah, sure. Please, you if you want to share that question, you can. You share the question. I can help you out. You can share the question, Divyam. I can help you out in this. Okay, we have the question here like how will you measure the impact of offers? Okay, and how will you determine which product are best to get the sales on? See, whenever you are given a question related to measure, ठीक है, मतलब measure या differentiate या फिर find out where you need to, I mean to say, you need to compare. तो comparison में always make sure this type of questions will come, like you have the experience of it, like impact of offers, like measure the impact of offers. So how will you measure it? Obviously you could say like this, like I could measure the impact of offers by comparing the, like sales you have asked, no? Like comparing the sales before this quarter and after the offer given in the sale. Or you can say like this, uh, I would measure the impact of offers by comparing the last 6 month sales, ठीक है, and the present 6 month sales when this sales season had start. Like in Flipkart, I am saying from January to June, there no, like mostly there are very less amount of sales has been given, but from July till December and first 2 weeks of January, you will see there are lots of sales going on, like Diwali sale, Big Billion Day sales, Christmas sales, 26 January sales. Like this kind of sales goes on. So, like this kind of example you can give. Like you can measure the impact of offers by comparing the sales on the first 6 months of the year, where almost no sale or offers are given to customer, and after July, like from July to December, like after the offer period, you can measure it out by using some SQL aggregation kind of things. And you can also give the key metrics जैसे कि sales or quantity sold before, quantity sold after, then like this kind of things. And also you can give a ranking of top products on zone wise, like how we used to do in Flipkart. Like we were taking care of the east zone, like Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, all that. तो उस टाइम वी यूज टू see the total sales, matlab like top performing products in east region. Then we used to do the group by of products, or even though the product id, you can say, better to say that. Then we used to rank it kind of total revenue zone wise, like this kind of thing, you can say that. You can say like that, because see, I am having experience, that's why I told you related to that by giving that example. You have to make a story behind it, like you have done this project, or kind of like you have deal with this kind of client where you are taking care of this. So like this kind of thing you can say. Okay. And any more doubts, anybody have any more doubts, anybody have any more doubts? Any more doubts, anybody have? Okay, we have okay, we have one query from फैज़ान, like DML DDL दोनों में क्रूड होता है क्या? देखो, क्रूड ऑपरेशन मेनली DML में होता है, ठीक है। DML मतलब डेटा मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज का पार्ट होता है, जैसे कि क्रिएट, रीड, अपडेट एंड डिलीट। और DDL जो आपने लिखा है, DDL दैट इज़ डेटा डेफिनेशन लैंग्वेज, उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो टेबल के स्ट्रक्चर को क्रिएट करते हैं, ऑल्टर करते हैं, ड्रॉप करते हैं, तो ये डेटा नहीं बल्कि डेटाबेस ऑब्जेक्ट पे काम करता है DDL जो है। सो क्रूड ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टली DML में आता है, DDL में नहीं आता फैज़ान, ठीक है। आई होप यू गॉट द आंसर फैज़ान, ठीक है। ओके, वी हैव टू क्वेरीज फ्रॉम दिव्यम। ए हाय सईद, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। हाय सईद, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। सईद, जस्ट गिव मी 5 minutes, ठीक है। आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दिव्यम का क्वेरीज, देन आई एम कमिंग टू यू, ठीक है। जस्ट गिव मी 5 minutes। सो वी हैव टू क्वेरीज फ्रॉम दिव्यम। ही गेव मी 3 data sets, जैसे कि सेल्स, मार्केटिंग, कस्टमर। ही asked give me quantifiable number, kind of quantifiable number, like I would say Divyam, like in place of you, if I would be there in the interview, and with my experience I would say that I would join the three things, means three data set like sales, marketing, customer table, so that I can link all the offers that was given on the first 6 months, and on the offer season, that is the last 6 months. Then I would see the kind of customer purchases, ठीक है, customer purchases that I would see, right? Then kind of I would calculate uh, kind of the sales uplift or the customer buying percentage uplift, or you can say like calculating the metrics of sales uplift. Then main thing is conversion rate. Earlier customers were like not buying AC because offer were not there, ठीक है। then after the sales you would see कि same AC मतलब same product is been sold uh, on a huge scale because offer was given, that is a conversion rate. Then you would say the return on investment, like marketing data set you have told na, so you can say the return on investment on each campaign. Suppose for each zone you have invested, suppose example 1 lakh example, and from that investment that you have done the marketing, you have received kind of 3 lakhs ka return, so it is like 2 lakhs ka profit, like this kind of thing I can say. Example कैसे, I can give you one example what we used to do, just a basic example I'm saying what we used to do. We used to do like sales during offer minus sales before offer, like that. Then we used to find the percentage like divided by sales before offer into 100, like this kind of, just a basic thing I'm saying. We don't used to do this much basics. And you from that you can say like I found out the sales increase or the sales uplift kind of thing. So like this way I would have given a quantifiable number with the examples. And I think that would be a better solution for it. Better, I think like if I would be in your place, then yes, this could be the answer from me. ठीक है. So we let's go to Saeed. Saeed ka doubt, like Saeed had a query like how do you create table using DDL? Do you put constraint on the create statements? Okay, see, we create table in SQL using DDL, that is data definition language, with the create table statement. Simple, create table, insert into and all. And yes, we can, I mean to say, we should include constraint in the create statement so that we can maintain the data set in, like I would say, data integrity. Like like during create table we do na primary key, then unique, not null, foreign key mostly used, then like this kind of things. I mean, data integrity maintenance or maintaining data integrity, we do like that. And that is how I would say कि this way we can define the table and we can implement rules that kind of protect the data structure in present as well as in future. So yeah, that is my answer to you. ठीक है. So any more queries, I am ready to answer. Okay, we have one query from Divyam, like did that, but he said not adequate. I think Divyam, see, the answer that he told not adequate. I think he might be asking something where you could have, because see, the thing is you are not having a I mean warehouse or supply chain ka experience. So I think he might be asking something where you have done a good data driven kind of rules and regulation follow up and work on that thing. Matlab, see, in Amazon and Flipkart, or like any company you go, XYZ company you go, they will give you a SOP they will give. In that KPI will be there and all. So from that KPI, what we used to do, we used to read the KPI, we used to read the SOP, and from there we used to follow up with whatever insights we have to find, whatever data we have been given, whatever, I mean, concrete or quantifiable, like you told, quantifiable insights we can find out by reading all those SOP and KPIs inside that. So I think he, I mean, the recruiter want you to relate the answer that you have given with the KPIs that you have to follow. I think so. I think so. He might be asking that. ठीक है. Coder Slofi Station. Hi, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. And hey, hi Aman, welcome to live stream. Hi Aman, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. So we have one query from Coder Slofi Station कि हेलो, कल स्ट्रीम को क्या हुआ. कल भाई नेट का इतना इशू था, लाइक यू माइट हैव सीन इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल एज वेल एज इन माय यूट्यूब का चैनल. ठीक है, तो नेट का बहुत इशू था. आई डोंट नो वाई. मतलब कल तो यूपीआई भी मैं, लाइक आफ्टर लाइव स्ट्रीम, जो कि हुआ नहीं, मैं यूपीआई भी करने गया था बाहर कुछ सामान लेने, वो भी नहीं हुआ. मतलब पता नहीं क्या हुआ था. मतलब एयरटेल जियो दोनों में शायद इशू चल रहा था. दैट्स द थिंग. तो इस तरीके से कल सिचुएशन हुआ. ठीक है. वी हैव टू क्वेरीज फ्रॉम सईद. प्लीज़ स्पीक इंग्लिश. या आई थिंक आई हैव explained the things in English. Okay, thank you for having me. Yeah, welcome bro. No worries, I will speak in English. No worries for that. कोडर स्लोवी स्टेशन, वैसे रेडिट से फ्रीलांस क्लाइंट लेने का वे बताओ. आई मीन ऐसे ही ग्रुप में फॉर हायर की पोस्ट क्रिएट करे जा रहा हूँ, बट आई हैव नो आइडिया कि क्या कैसे होगा. प्लीज़ टेल मी व्हाट शुड आई डू. देखो, व्हाट आई यूज़ टू डू, जस्ट सर्च में जाके मैं कीवर्ड्स ही टाइप करता हूँ. मतलब आई यूज़ टू गो टू द सर्च सेक्शन in Reddit and just type the keywords मतलब simple like freelance SQL, Python, data analytics, freelance, like this kind of thing I used to write. And then from there, any of the post I used to get, I used to just go and just find out ki are there uh, hiring, or do they need any requirement for at least short term kind of freelance work kind of thing. So like this way I used to search. Okay, the thing that you are doing for hire, that is also a good thing, no worries for that. At least some or the other way the client can search you for this. ठीक है ना. So that's the thing, but you have to be consistent, because let me tell you, as I tell this to each and everyone, अभी तो you have to be consistent. That's the thing, because that what I have done, that's it. That's why I'm saying. And any more queries, any more queries, let me refresh it once. Okay, right. I have received this message. Sorry for that, Aman. Which is better, Oracle SQL or PostgreSQL, and what's the difference? See, Oracle SQL, I think it is paid. I have never used that Oracle SQL, because in Flipkart and Amazon they have their own मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि सीक्वल क्या इन्वायरमेंट दे हैव देयर ओन, लाइक अमेजन हैव देयर ओन AWS का SQL environment, and Flipkart have their own SQL environment that are made by Flow. We used to use that Flow करके, that Flipkart used to have. So from there only we used to work on SQL queries. I mean, work on dataset by writing the SQL queries. So yeah, and the difference that you have asked, like Oracle SQL, PostgreSQL. So Oracle SQL is kind of, I think it is paid. I think I have never used Oracle SQL. Let me tell you, it is paid. I think licensing is there, because during my learning time in 2017-18, I have just surfed the internet for that, and I found that it was paid. So that is the reason I switched to PostgreSQL and SSMS. SSMS is free to use. Let me tell you that. So you can go with that as well. And for PostgreSQL, as I've told you, it is open source, like I'm using right now as well. PostgreSQL is open source, free. Till now it is free, let me tell you. And it is better for learning as well. मतलब academically, if you are learning SQL or on a starting phase of learning SQL, then PostgreSQL is a good option to start with, because I have done in that way. Because when I have started learning for the SQL kind of academic approach that I have given to SQL, at that time I have, like you have searched Oracle SQL and PostgreSQL, I have done the search in Google at that time. So I have found out that Oracle SQL need licensing and all, trial period and all are there. So I have dumped that idea and switched to PostgreSQL and SSMS. And out of this two, PostgreSQL and SSMS, I found out PostgreSQL was good, and so I'm using it for my own use for writing SQL queries and all that thing. So if you ask me what is good, I would say, I would suggest PostgreSQL is good to go. ठीक है. So any more thing anybody need to ask? Okay, we have one query from Divyam. Like, I joined them and then even did all sort of analysis, including trend analysis, seasonality, and still he said no, just give me a number. I said customer acquisition cost, and he said no still. So is it all about the, like, if table is there from that? mm, like from the formula can we get that, like he have asked na, matlab give a number. So from that formula you can find out कि जो है ना, I mean to say, mm, the formula that I've given, I forgot. The sales during offer minus sales before offer divided by sales before offer into 100. Like this you will at least get a sales uplift या sales increase या decrease का number, single number you can get that, what I can see. And apart from that I would say कि you could say one thing like that, because I don't know what actually the recruiter is trying to ask and what kind of, I mean, candidate he want to hire. Because after giving so much, like you told कि you have joined them, you've done all the analysis, but still he is into asking a single number with the KPIs and all that thing. So I don't know what he's trying to ask. But let me tell you, you can also do one more thing. You can say like this कि you can do or say like this, like after joining sales, marketing, customer data set, you can say कि you have quantified the impact of offers by calculating a single measurable metric like total sales uplift, like I told you, single measurable metrics. And by comparing sales during the offer period to baseline sales, you have found that the campaign increased revenue by some xyz percent, whatever percent you might have got. Suppose let's take 60% or 70%, and while improving conversion rate from the marketing and driving the highest incremental sales from, suppose, xyz product, like product xyz kind of thing. This single number, the 60% sale increase, clearly shows the tangible impact of the offer and identifies which product contributed most of the uplift. Like this you can say, I would, if I would be in your place, I would say that okay, this is the product and this is due to this product, and due to increase in this product, मतलब sales uplift kind of increase, we have got a overall increase in these things. ठीक है, you can say like that. What I would do if I would be in your place. Okay, we have one query from Divyam. Can you tell little more about the approach? Yeah, this is what I could have said. Whatever approach I have said right now. ठीक है, whatever approach I have said right now, I would have said that. Okay, we have one query from Aman. Where can I get all the assignments? Yeah, Aman, you can get the assignments from here. SQL assignment video, you can get the assignments from here. ठीक है, Aman. This is the assignment video. ठीक है, Aman, you can get the assignment from here. I mean to say, all the data set from the Google Drive link and all are present in this. So you can get the assignments, you can get the questions. Also you can get all the means data set, whatever data set we will be working on, the questions that are in the assignment, you can get it from the video link. ठीक है, I mean in description Google Drive link is given, so you can get it. We have one query from Divyam, like भैया by the way you use VS Code for Python? नहीं नहीं भाई, मैं Jupyter notebook यूज़ करता हूँ Python के लिए. Jupyter notebook company में also we used to use Jupyter notebook. Like you can use VS Code as well, but I used to use Jupyter notebook. And mostly जितने भी data analyst है, most of the data analyst in my previous company are into this Jupyter notebook का Python environment, right? Okay, Aman, we have one query from Aman, like I have a technical round of SQL Python. So can you tell me where can I practice SQL and Python? Practice for SQL and Python, I would say the assignment video that I have given, all the assignment question what I have given here are mostly from the work that I have done, like in my 5 year and 5 months of work ex whatever uh, kind of situation I have faced, like this kind of questions are there, plus interview questions are there, plus LinkedIn interview questions are there. मतलब Google, Reddit, LinkedIn, wherever I got the questions, I have added up those questions, plus interview questions also I have added, plus situation questions what I have faced during my corporate work culture. Like this kind of questions are also there. So if you practice these questions, for sure you will be covering mostly, I mean, most of the questions that a interviewer expect from the candidate, or the interviewer asks the candidate during the interview. ठीक है? So you can get those questions from here. And apart from that, I would say LinkedIn is the best platform, because mostly recruiters and data analyst, like people who are working as a data analyst in companies, they also provide questions that they have faced during their interview, or they used to ask during the technical round interview, in the interview I mean to say. So LinkedIn is the best platform, I mean to say, for interview questions. Aman Singh, some important topics, I would say, is Windows function, because there you will get all the rank, row number, dense rank, then rows between kind of questions you will get. In that way, you can also be added something like joins, group by CTs. From Windows function question only, you will be connecting to different other queries. जैसे कि like I have told, CT, subqueries, joins, group by, like this kind of things. So I would say these are the important topics where recruiter expect an interviewer to know. And mostly corporate culture or corporate mm, data analyst working people use these things. ठीक है? That's the thing. And lead lag also, sorry, lead lag are also important. ठीक, are asked in interview series questions. ठीक है? Okay, we have one query from Divyam, that sales uplift also come in trend analysis only na? Yeah, right. This is what I've told. Like, this is a kind of example that we used to find out during the Flipkart sales. This is one of the important thing which we used to mail as well. Like during the big billion day sales, we used to mail this each and every day on the day end. Like when the day used to end, we used to see this sales uplift wala work from the data set sent mail to our managers as well. This is one of the most important thing, let me tell you. So if you have answered this thing, matlab, I mean to say, this would be giving a good impact on the interviewer कि चलो हाँ, this guy is having a knowledge of, but let me tell you, I think, see, I know Divyam, you have good knowledge on this, but I think the recruiter wants something where you might be talking about the KPIs and SOP follow and all that things. I think so because during my Flipkart and Amazon interview, they have asked like what were the things that you have to follow in the SOPs, what were the thing you have to follow in terms and condition when you are dealing with the stakeholders. So this is things I used to tell them and connect them with the queries that I have to write, and I have to find the, I mean, requirements for the stakeholders by following the SOPs plus following the requirements from the stakeholders as well. I think they might be asking. I think ठीक है. Charan Gaming, hi Charan, welcome to live stream. Hi Charan, welcome to live stream. So bro, how much percentage of Excel syllabus is released till now? So we have Excel ka video till 12th. So 9, 10th, 11, 12. So only 4 videos are left for Excel playlist, I mean to say. ठीक है? Only 4 videos are left. ठीक है? So you will get all those videos by 12th 10 o'clock. So it is actually scheduled on each and every day on 10 a.m. ठीक है? So you will get by 12 each and every, I mean only 4 videos are left. So that's the thing. Hey, hi Thug Hunter, welcome to live stream. Hi Thug Hunter, welcome to live stream. What soft skill company look for you as a data analyst? Soft skill is first thing first, explanation of whatever, I mean, data set or whatever requirements that you have received from the data sets. Explanation means communication skills. That is the only main thing. Second thing is communication skills, means converting the kind of visualization to and storytelling part, because at the end of the work related to your stakeholders in the company or related to freelance client, you have to, like what I have done in my corporate, I always have to make a dashboard where there are lots and lots of visualization things are there. So I have to convert that visualization and number and graph part to a storytelling part, so that my stakeholders as well as the managers, the stakeholder managers there can understand the topic in a proper way, understand the process behind it in a proper way, also understand like why we have find out this, why not that, like this kind of things you have to take care of with the help of communication. So that's the thing. Divyam, okay, we have one query. No, but like Jupyter on VS Code. No, no, not Jupyter on VS Code. Jupyter directly, like we used to use MacBooks, and in that MacBook डायरेक्ट टर्मिनल में जाके ही we used to write this, और उसका एक लिंक ट्री खुलता है, like a link, like you know, like link tree used to open in our website, and that's it. I mean, in our browser, and there we have to work. It is like that. It is like that. ठीक है. Okay, Divyam. Yeah, I do not talk about KPI and all. Okay, okay. I think, see, as I have told, as I have told in my previous two interviews, like Flipkart and Amazon, the recruiter have directly asked me to talk about the KPIs and SOPs. That's why I'm saying, if the recruiter have not told me about the KPIs and SOPs, like you have to connect this and that, and you have to explain me, then I would also have not done that. Actually, recruiter has asked me. ठीक है, recruiter has asked me, and this is what I have told. Because in your situation, like you only have written, like in your situation, recruiter has just asked for the single number. They only need how you got the single number, or how you will get the single number. But in my interviews, they have directly, might be like from my work ex, they might have asked, like might have thought कि they also follow a SOP, and where there would be KPIs, terms and condition and all. So that's why they have told me to merge and connect the SOPs and KPIs that you have to follow with the stakeholders, and give us the explanation. So I have did that, and this is what I have told you, because this is what I have faced during my interviews. That's the thing. ठीक है. Okay, Divyam, we have one query. Like, I did just not in depth. Okay, why right? I have told you, मतलब explanation. जहाँ पे you will add all this ना, मतलब KPIs, SOP, you will add ना, you will already from your mind only you will explain. You will directly say कि this are the things. This is what we have to follow up, and from this follow up, I have written this things and find out the output or find out the requirement like this. So it will be automatically you will only connect with these things, and you will only make a good kind of storytelling in front of interviewers. So it is automatic, you don't have to practice, let me tell you, because experience I have faced and I have suggested you, and like you have only told, like right now, like you have not told in depth. And why you cannot tell in depth? Because you might not have that idea कि हाँ चलो KPIs वो सब follow करना पड़ता है. Same thing, I also don't have that kind of idea about it. Recruiter had told me in Flipkart recruitment का series में and Flipkart recruitment का time में, recruiter have told me to connect with it and explain the things. So this is what I have done. So that's the thing. ठीक है. यू कैन यूज़ जुपिटर नोटबुक इन वी एस कोड. हाँ, कर सकते हो शायद. मैं मतलब आप वी एस कोड में खोलो तो मतलब जुपिटर नोटबुक का है वो अलग से शो कर देता है, मतलब जैसे सेल शो करता है ना, सेल बोलते हैं क्या, आई डोंट रिमेंबर इट। जैसे सेल शोज का शो करता है जुपिटर नोटबुक में, वैसे वी एस कोड में भी ओपन होता है, बट उसमें शायद यू हैव टू यूज सम extension kind of thing. I think I have not used it. I think, because why I am saying this, during my Flipkart work, मतलब corporate work, I had this file and I have clicked it and वो VS Code में ही खुल गया, ठीक है। तो VS Code में when it had opened, it has shown, मतलब वो box kind of show किया था। तो from there I can say I haven't used it from that time. I have used only from the link that my browser has opened and given it to me from this Jupyter notebook ka work structure. This I have done. And yes, you told it right, Jupyter notebook you can use in VS code, but I think you need a extension. I have never used it in VS code, that's why I'm saying. ठीक है, I was asking about that. Okay, okay, got it. Aman Singh, thank you sir. Where can I get solution for the assignment? I have solution for the assignment till assignment 7. I will give it to you after 12th, ठीक है। एक्सेल के बाद, मतलब आफ्टर 10th और आफ्टर 12th, I will give you all the solution from the same Google Drive link. But with that time, I would request you to practice and use your own logic and concept and ask me doubts, ठीक है। because until and unless if you don't practice, you will feel कि questions are easy, questions are not that tricky, and it won't give a positive impact on your practice session. So I will give you the solution, no worries for that. I have solution till assignment 7, 8 and 9 I will do, ठीक है। and I will give you the solutions as well, no worries for that, on the same Google Drive link. But still I would suggest you to practice from your own and create a positive impact on yourself with that, ठीक है। Divyam, wanna try something if possible, it made my life super easy. Not gonna lie, doing all that in 1 hour is crazy expectation. If that's the case, yeah, obviously, I can understand. See, if you are having a work ex in that field ना दिव्यम, अगर उस फील्ड में या सेम फील्ड में या सेम डोमेन में यू आर हैविंग अ वर्क एक्स, it will be really a cakewalk for you. Like right now you are having a good experience in teaching, but if someone asks you related to teaching field or teaching domain, you can explain them very easily. Like, I mean, from you can make them go from 0 to 100 very easily. But the thing is, if anybody, like I also don't have any idea related to this, what we say, uh, data engineering ka, like big datas and all, like snowflakes and all. If someone asks me related to that, I would really be kind of lagging during the interview session. So yes, if you are having expertise in something in the same domain, it will be a cakewalk for you. Like for you right now, you might feel ki ha, it is a kind of crazy thing, crazy expectation in a 1 hour kind of interview. But once you have that domain knowledge, it will be really helpful for that. And Divyam, yeah, you can help me out, like what you are saying na, ki try something if possible, it made your life super easy. Like if possible, like you can send me mail as well, I can take a note on that, take. Aman Singh, okay sir, thank you. Yeah, welcome Aman, welcome, and thanks to you Aman for joining my live stream, thanks to you. And Aman, also take this mail id, this is my mail id. Whatever doubt you have in the assignment, you can just take the screenshot and give, I mean attach the screenshot in the mail and give your descriptive details or doubts that you want to ask. Also, you can check out my SQL project and Python project video as well. It is there in my, I mean, SQL and Python ka playlist. Like the Excel ka playlist is also there, ठीक है? And also SQL and Python ka playlist is also there with the data set. You can go and check it out, Aman. Also, you can add this uh, projects in your CV resume as well as in your online LinkedIn platform, ठीक है। And also if you want to make it unique na Aman, you can add something more details into it so that it will be very much unique for you, as well as you will be staying out of the crowd. Because I can say that, like, see, there are lots of projects in Google, in Kaggle as well, so everyone will be following up with the same questions and same requirement. But if you want to make your project out of the crowd, then I would say you should add something new from your own side. ठीक है, like example I am saying, in this project you would have around 10 to 12 kind of requirements and questions. If you can add like 5 6 additional from your own side, it will be helpful for you and your project will be unique. So this is what I would suggest to you. And also, like telegram channels are also there, you can join this telegram channel as well. And you can ask doubt there as well. ठीक है, टेलीग्राम चैनल, एंड दिस इज टेलीग्राम का चैट वाला चैनल. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज इंस्टाग्राम आईडी. वेन एवर आई एम लाइक ऑनलाइन और वेन एवर आई एम like posting any videos or something, I will inform you in that. ठीक है. Okay, we have one query from Divyam bhaiya, check about Microsoft Data Wrangler. Okay, let me check it. Okay. Microsoft. ओके, ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फैब्रिक का है. ओके ओके, डेटा रैंगलर इज़ अ कोड सेंट्रिक viewing and cleaning tool that is integrated into VS Code and VS Code Jupyter Notebook. Oh wow यार, Jupyter Notebook से associated है. It provides a rich user interface to view and analyze your data, show insightful, where is it, show insightful column statistics and visualization, automatically generate pandas code as you can clean and transform. Okay, I will use it. That's a good thing, and thanks to Divyam bro. Thank you for this Divyam. I will use it. That's a good thing. And thank you for giving us this knowledge. It is really helpful. Okay. Let's see. Do we have any doubts anybody have in the live stream? They can ask. They can ask me in the live stream, in my live chat. I can help you out in this. Any doubts anybody have in the live stream, they can ask me. I can help you out in this. Okay. Okay. So just minute. Let me actually, I have some guest in my house today, so let me just go and meet them and come back again in the live stream. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. ठीक है, just give me 5 to 10 minutes. I will join back in that. ठीक.